So you're here because you want to be a better real estate investor. And the number one way to do that is to get better at driving for dollars. And to do that, you got to use SendFuse. Why? Well, it allows you to quickly look up a property, get the overall details, the owner, if it's owner occupied, get a little quick look at the debt stack, and get all the property information, beds, baths, square footage, all that. You can also pull full title reports, and these are going to show your complete debt stack. It's going to pull market analysis, your comps, right? It's also going to pull everybody in that area who's an out-of-state owner. So if you really want to dive into that area, it's going to give you a bunch more leads to go into that way. Now, another thing it can do for you is instead of chasing thousands of leads like people are doing right now, is we're going to stand apart from the competition and we're going to do something different. We are going to be using a spear instead of a net. So instead of going through thousands of leads looking for the needle in a haystack, we are just going to be driving around our local neighborhoods and we're going to find those properties that are distressed, that need help, that have a lot of stuff in the yard. And we're going to know that that property owner is probably going to be motivated to sell that property based on the condition of it. Now, what this does for us is instead of spending hours cold calling or sending thousands of mail pieces or setting up text bots that are a little bit spammy and kind of annoying, we're going to be just connecting with individual homeowners who are going to be just thrilled that we are from the area, that we know the place, we've driven by the property. We're not these out-of-state investors just spamming people with offers. We are down, boots on the ground, and we know the area, we know the location, we know the neighborhood, and we can work with these sellers. You know what's great about that is you can meet them face to face. It's not just telephone and Zoom. You can meet them face to face. You can really get to build a good relationship with them, some good rapport with them. And so we're gonna get more deals out of less effort. And that's what it's all about. Okay, sure, you can hire VAs or pull a list of 10,000 properties in pre-foreclosure or out-of-state owners or whatever magical mixing, matching flavor of the month is. But to be real, if you're driving for dollars and you're pulling only distressed properties, your success rate is going to be off the charts compared to those other people. Where they have to go through 400 or 500 leads to get one deal, we might have to go through 4 or 5. Okay? So click that button below and make yourself a better real estate investor right now. Because starting today, driving on your way home from wherever you're at right now, you could be actually moving the needle on your investing business by pulling these leads and seeing these distressed properties and getting them under contract, guys. Wholesaling, fix and flipping, buy and holds, it doesn't matter. It's all about your acquisition strategy because in real estate, we make our money on the buy. So click that button below and be a better real estate investor today.